Okay, so now it's time for the fun part where I'll combine these chemicals and see what happens. Once the reaction has occurred, I'll ask you to write down what you noticed. Notice the safety precautions I've taken to protect myself during this experiment. I'm wearing gloves and goggles and my hair is tied back. None of the chemicals are dangerous when handled appropriately, but they could irritate the skin, so it's important to be careful. The first thing I'm going to do is combine the baking soda and calcium chloride. This is the calcium chloride. This is the baking soda, also called sodium bicarbonate. Okay, as you can see, nothing is happening. Okay, all we have now is a mixture of baking soda and calcium chloride. It's not too exciting. By the way, it's also at room temperature since these things have just been sitting out. The next thing I'm going to do is add the phenol red solution. I'm going to do this carefully so that hopefully everything is contained in the bag and there are no spills. I'll also add that the phenol red solution is also at room temperature right now because it's also been sitting out. Okay, so I'll put this in here. As I close the Ziploc bag, I'm also trying to get all the air out. Okay, so this is now sealed and I've gotten as much of the air out as I could. So now I'll mix in the phenol red. Okay, so a chemical reaction is occurring. Write down your observations about what is happening. Be as specific as you can. Okay, after you do that, I'll review what we're seeing and I'll tell you about things you can't directly observe on your end, like how things feel and smell. I'll let this go on for a little bit longer. Okay, so pause the video and jot down what you've observed. I'll give you some time to do that now.